Hey guys, I'm going to show you my quick morning SPF routine, especially what I do before I head out to play pickleball. So first things first, I don't really wash my face in the morning. I like it to let my natural oil stay on my skin. Sometimes I'll do a little splash of water, but that's about it. Then I go with an eye cream. Today I'm using Eye of Youth, and I gently tap around my eye area. After that, I apply either morning moisturizer or a serum. Today I'm using Siesta Sunset. And for me, moisturizer under SPF is a must. Even if you're using mineral SPF, sunscreen can still dry your skin out a little bit. So I like to give my skin that extra layer of hydration first, especially when I'm going to be in the sun. Once that's on, I either lightly dab with a towel or give it about 5 to 10 minutes to really absorb. I don't want to rush this step because it helps everything to sit better on the skin. Then comes the most important part, SPF. I apply generously, especially on my cheeks and nose, because that's where I tend to get the most sun when I'm outside. And if I want a little bit of color, I'll add Radiant Glow and a touch of cheeky lips. Just enough to look fresh and awake without doing a full makeup routine. Then I dab everything lightly with a towel or let it absorb, and voila, I'm ready to go play pickleball.